Today we're digging into some material that claims to have a way, a really quick way actually, to turn those PDFs into PPTX files. Free, efficient, no fuss.
No need to download or install any software, which is a big plus for a lot of people.
Right, convenience is key. Trick47.com. That's TRICK-47.
And they apparently really focus on making it easy to use. Clean interface, user-friendly, that sort of thing.
Step one is just getting your PDF onto their site. You can click the big upload your PDF button.
Okay, yeah, that opens the file browser.
Right, or you can just, drag the file from your computer and drop it onto the web page. Once you see your file name pop up there, you're basically good to go for the next step.
And that next step is the conversion itself. How does that work?
Yeah, super simple. According to the source, once the file is uploaded, a convert button just lights up. You click it, and the claim is it happens pretty much instantly right there in your browser. Okay, so upload, click convert, then what? Downloading, I assume.
Yep, the final step. After the conversion magic happens, a download button appears. You click that and you get your brand new PPTX file saved to your device. So you can open it straight up in PowerPoint or Google Slides, whatever you use, and start tweaking it right away.
Okay, so if this holds up, we're looking at a genuinely useful free tool. Upload PDF, convert, download PPTX, all online, keeping the format intact. That could save a lot of time for students, educators, professionals, really anyone dealing with documents.
Definitely. It seems like a solid workflow. And thinking a bit bigger, this whole thing kind of points to a larger trend, We're seeing more of these super specialized web tools popping up that do one thing really, really well, often better or faster than bulky installed software.
That's a great point. It shifts how we think about getting tasks